Yo, what's up, guys? So we're out here on one of my favorite lakes today, and we're on a solo mission. Just been throwing around this black and blue chatter donk with green pumpkin broker crawl trailer on it, and I've actually hooked up to a couple really nice fish already. Didn't have the GoPro on, unfortunately, but now we got it on. Hopefully we can hook up to some more here on camera. Hopefully I don't get a little camera shy. I've been kind of working some banks and stuff, pitching your grass, trees, lay down and stuff like that. It's really hot today, so that's why I'm doing that, because I won't be too surprised if these fish are laying tight next to cover on a hot day like this. So try to get spun back around here and see if we can't make something happen, you know? So so everyone's getting shy, huh? Oh, I'm not surprised. This is what awkwardly enough, like, why I don't ever like usually record, because like I'll be catching fish and everything, and then as soon as I put the GoPro on, like the bite just it's gone. Like there's nowhere to be found. And like I was literally just getting bites right over here. Like I'm not even, and then I can't even say like I was, because you guys are like, oh, you only got camera proof on. I don't know why they just stopped biting all of a sudden. Like I've been finding them, schooling them up in like these pockets and next to grass patches and such, and now I just can't get a single one to bite. We honestly might switch up and throw out crankbait, or we might just keep moving up the hill, or up the. We're gonna actually pull anchor and keep working our way up the bank here. That's how we were catching them, so might as well stick to it, right? Well, that was not a good cast. Need that one back, please. Thank you. Like, you guys may not be able to see this, but like over here, it's nothing but like a bunch of down logs, grass patches. So that's why I'm throwing this chatter donk over up in here, because like throw it right over a log and throw it on one's head and might get something to bite, but that I might have to really slow it down and go to the old Texas rig. But we'll see. Good spot right there, boys. Man. Of course, like I said, as soon as I put my camera on, I don't know, I can call myself a liar, because now I ain't catching none. Yeah, guys, we might have to slow her down and switch over to Texas. We're gonna find this. Get down the bank there. Never mind, we're hooked up. We got one. Oh, he spit it out. I don't know if you guys saw that or not, but we'll pitch in there, see if we can't get him to bite again. Dang, boys, we almost had one on camera for you right there. That's okay, he didn't look like he was too big. But I don't think I made a good hook set on. I think that was my fault. But we're just gonna keep going with cheddar dunk down the bank here and just see what happens. I think I just got hit back in this pocket right here. Back in there real quick. Ah, boys. Our hook sets are not on point today. Damn. Something big just flopped over here. Ooh-wee. I see the cheddar dunk still working. We're hooked up, boys. Not a big one, but it's a good fish nonetheless. That'll be number 4 on the day. Not too bad. Not too bad. Oh, he's so good too. Bang. Oh, hey, stop. Come on. Hey. Stop. Oh. We're gonna need pliers for this one again. Use the pliers to get this one out. I don't want to say though, one thing on these baits, these hooks are sharp. They can definitely do their job. So not a big guy, but he ate it nonetheless. So there we go, ladies and gentlemen. Cheddar donk's working. We'll keep throwing her today. So there's grass here, and see if we can hook up a few more. Oh, hooked up on a stick. Hold on, boys. I thought I had one, but we're snagged. I don't think I was recording, but I pitched right on this guy's head and caught him. Look at that. That was an awesome catch right there. Oh, I saw him flop earlier. So I went in and pitched it on his head. And we got him. Where's he hooked at though? That's the thing. Where is he hooked at? cannot see where he's at. Oh, he choked that thing. Look at that. Not a bad little buddy, but saw a flop back in there. I pitched it on his head and caught it right away. So I was actually not gonna lie, I had the intent of just pretty much straight up throwing like a chatter donk or something like to that, or Texas rig out here all day, because that's what worked for us last time we were out here. But I mean, I've been throwing this chatter donk around, and I almost regret not throwing it as much, because I think we're hooked up on another, and I think I just missed. Oh boy, is the bite. I don't know, is a chatter donk the go-to on a hot day? I mean, I think that maybe that blade just irritates these fish when they're, you know, just sitting on the log, and I think it just gets them going, honestly. And I've had quite a few bites on here now. I mean, I missed a couple hook sets, which is just my fault, but I mean, we're just throwing in here in just a couple feet of water. I mean, these fish are sitting shallow, so I'm kind of just like either slow cranking it in or pretty much slow working the bottom with it, and must be putting it right in some of these fish's faces, just irritating enough just to get them to hit it. So that's your goal. So yep, hooked up. Oh, he spit it out. Oh man. Oh, he spit it out. You guys probably saw that one. Man, that's unfortunate. Oh, isn't that pretty? We got a tree here. There we go. Man, just hooked up on him and just spit it out on me. Hopefully I got that on camera. I think I did. So on hot summer days, if you at least have a boat and you want to come out, just do what I usually do. Just work the banks, pitching, flipping, throwing either chatter donk, spinner bait, and almost give them something moving to start out with is what I usually see if they're going to be aggressive on a moving bait. And if they're not, then I usually will switch up to go to my more actual finesse like Texas rig, like really slow dragging it through the weeds and stuff like that. But so far, I mean, the chatter donk slow, like just slow retrieve style has been catching today. I mean, not big. I mean, as you guys know, I'm the master of catching dinks anyway, so we already know how that goes. But we're gonna go back here and actually explore a back chunk that I didn't get to fish out here last time. Work over here to our left. I didn't get to explore it very much last time, so that's kind of our target area for today. This is a long work in the bank. I mean, it's basically gonna work the bank. If we hit some open water, we'll probably throw either the spinnerbait around, or we'll be throwing the spinnerbait or the crankbait around. But so and this might be starting to get a little too weedy for the chatter donk. I'm not sure. Not to see here. And I know, please forgive me, my trolling motor driving skills are not the greatest, okay? I know that. I'm used to operating hand motors, and I usually don't operate foot ones very often, but now I got this boat, which obviously is a foot controlled trolling motor. So if I'm looking like I'm Tokyo drifting out here in the water, you are not wrong. That's because I'm getting used to like the sensitivity and such of it. So that would be why. Uh-oh. So the bite's kind of dampering off, so I'll probably shut the GoPro off and pick you guys back up once we get some action. Oh, he spit it out. Oh, eat it again. Oh my God. Oh my God, guys, we just had a fish. I turned my GoPro off the worst I can. He spit it out and then he hit it again. Oh man, that was a good one too. That was a decent fish right there, ladies and gentlemen. Oh man. I don't know if you saw it, but he spit it out and then he still continuously went and hit it again. Man. That is tough. Oh, I missed them on both hook sets. That is just quite honestly embarrassing. So I think I might anchor here for a little bit and I'll pitch this spot. We had good luck here last time. Not sure if I'm able to run the chatter donk through here necessarily because it's pretty weedy. I mean, we'll take a cast here and just see. I don't know what's going on, but because I'm not sure how good this chatter donk is gonna go through these weeds, but you know what? We'll cast them there. We'll find out. You know. Oh, hit a stump. Forgot about that. Yeah, we're kind of getting the stump territory here, boys, so you might hear the drummer go ka-boom, 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 ka-bunch. So we're actually going to spin in. Drop anchor here. So we're gonna work out the spot here a little bit here. See if we can't muster up. Man, we must have not been close enough. I think it must have not been down because, yep. Yeah, I don't think the cheddar donk's gonna be the move anymore. I think we're gonna have to retire this puppy for just a little bit. I think our best option is to slow roll a Texas rig in there. Go!
Got it?
Oh.
A ding. I love you. Do you want a picture?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. Oh yeah, I got that on camera.
Huh?
I didn't realize I got that on camera.
It's an avocado. Thanks.
Honestly, basically, like I keep seeing these things jump and I feel the hits and I'm just like, oh man, I'm hooked up to Big Bertha for once because, you know, she's hitting me hard and yeah, I'm just getting cucked by nature. Megan hooked up on one. I didn't get the catch on camera, but
Quit moving.
why is there that one warm down there?
It came out of him.
What? Grab him like a man. Let me here.
He's barely hooked in his foot.
Get it
He
out.
flung it out of his mouth.
You can tell he's been caught before. Look at his cheek. There's
There's
lip.
a bug in there. Can you take a picture?
Yeah.
He's a smallie. He's a little dank.
Smile. Yeah. Oh, hey, look at that. We get a free bait. Never mind. We don't get a free bait. Gee. Give me 2 guesses. I'll give you 1 guess of what he was caught on with this one. Yeah. Well, that's junk. I thought it was going to be good. Well, I suppose now.